GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with GSG. During the winter months, our typical slow time, now's a good time for your ink organization. As you can see, what's behind me here is we have our mixing area where we have our International Coatings mixing colors, followed by our Avient Wolflex Rio mixing system. And as we go along the wall, we have our standard black ink, our white inks, we have some International Coatings standard colors, and our final shelf is going to be our Avient Wolflex International Coatings, all of our specialty bases or opaque base or standard mixing bases. So we have everything neat, organized, and of course when we're finished, whatever inks that we are using, we clean the buckets, we put everything away, put lids back on them. And over here we have more that are Wolflex just standard colors. So everything I need is right by my press. And as soon as I need a color, I can go right to the shelving and I can find it. So there you have it, a real quick tip on how to organize your ink area. For more tips and information on screen printing, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit GoGSG.com. We'll see you next time.